What's up, everybody? We're here with the White Bolt. Wait. White Bolt? Why does that sound wrong? Black Bolt? White Flare. We're here with the White Flare. And we're going to open this bad boy up because this has been sitting there collecting dust for a hot minute. So rip this and get it going. We got packs. I haven't opened any White Flare yet. I've only opened up 2 black bolts. So we'll see what we can get in this today. Because I've been looking forward to this. Today's daily pack wasn't that great. So it's like, geez, look at all this freaking cat hair, dude. That's what happens when you cuddle your cats. I'm telling you. It's a little crazy sometimes. Alright. First pack magic. Oh, first pack magic. I like that. Alright. And no double hit. But hey yo. I like that. First pack magic. Alright, second pack magic. Second pack magic. How much magic can we get in one day? That's just the question. Because we got no magic on a daily. Now we just need a little magic. No magic in this one. But hey, we got so many more packs to open. Okay, let's go. Pack number 3. Oh, I think I see a little something. Nice. Little grass Pokemon. And no double hits. Nice little full art. Take that. 2 hits down. 16 more hits to go. That'd be nice. But I'm not complaining right now. So far, so good. Oh my lord. No double hit, but lord, look at this. So I told you, keep the hits coming. This might be a bunk box here where we're just gonna keep getting hit after hit. Dang, look at the wingles in the back, dude. Can this focus or what? Lord have mercy. Focus, focus. I know I keep saying this, but I got a biting camera. And another hit. Hydreigon. He's one of my favorite dragons. This is kind of crazy. 5 packs, 4 hits. What is this? What is this? Is that what these white flares are all about? Is that anything out? Alright. There's back reality. There's a real pack. But can you drop that? Can't. No, it's nothing yet. Alright. Not enough cloud source. Sure enough. Disappear. Activate. We care about cloud. I'm a Samsung user. I don't need to care about the cloud. You know? There's another little hit, little EX action. A little more EX action. There's not back reality here. And it's all hits on the right side of the box, and on the left side, Sassy doing 2 blocks. We're going to compare left to right, right to right now. Left comes in strong here, something crazy. Alright, right, that's your guy. Look, bro. Look at it. Oh, yeah, I got some clear left. Yeah, I'm picture. What's it good? Yeah, you got. Hang on to this. Alright. And our lucky Pokemon with us. Oh, see, what did I say? What did I say? You got a little reindeer. Yeah, a little reindeer. Now you're back. Somebody's talking about it. Okay, let's see what we got left. 5 packs. And remember, with Cyndaquil here, we're already getting the luck, so let's see what else we can do here with the little Cyndaquil side. There was something over there. Oh, yes. Something we just pulled. Yeah. Let's part of that. No, let's do the full art of that. Ew. Box tennis. I just pulled 3 cards. No thanks. 3 more packs. I'm gonna get 3 more packs. 20 just sitting there. Taking up space. There's something crazy there, dude. What are you doing? Oh. Where are the double hits in this set, huh? Where are the double hits in this set? But man, these cards are freaking gorgeous looking, man. Super cool. And that one's freaking so pretty. Hontoni kirei desu ne. Last pack. Last pack magic. Can we get something serious in the last pack? Is it possible to get something epic in the last pack? If you get first pack magic, is it possible to get last pack magic? Well, I mean, that's a little magical. It is a kind of a magical Pokemon too, you know? So, alright, solid, actually. Really solid. I gotta sleeve these up, but I gotta check the values of these because I don't know what the Japanese values of these cards are at all. What's up, hero? What's up? Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Hang out with my puppies. We've got a pretty long night tonight. It's Saturday, so let's just relax. Watch some anime. I just watched like 10 episodes of some new anime. Crunchyroll's dishing them out right now. So, enjoy your Pokemon collecting. Hopefully you're enjoying some anime. Hopefully you're working a lot and making money because that's what life's all about. And then you can really enjoy everything you want to enjoy. Have a good night, homies. Don't be doing bad stuff.